sitting right behind me is the best value in Canton right now. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Canton, touring this completely remodeled from A to Z 1.9 acre parcel home. It's 4,000 square feet, 4 bed, 3 bath. Has an amazing pole barn in the back as well. You're gonna want to check this one out all the way to the end. Client did major work here, came out fantastic. Love this front seating area they did. Without further ado, let's get you inside. So right off the bat, you'll notice this great seating area right here in the front. You can do whatever you want to do as far as maybe a study. Looks like a little reading hangout spot. Maybe make it a formal office space. Got good views to the outside there. And then right over here, right to the left, is a very nice room as well. Again, similar bonus room. You can make it to a study, seating area, media room. Right off the door with the door to close and lock. Love this dry bar area, coffee bar, pantry area, whatever you want to make it. Beautiful cabinets and flooring. Check that out. Into the kitchen. Beautiful dining, breakfast nook area. Love the openness of this home. Very clean, very modern, but not boring. A lot of nice little features. Here is the utility room. Got automatic lights, all new utilities, furnace, water tanks, air conditioners, electric panels, your washer and dryer, and a utility tub here. Great storage in here. Good room. Little storage here. Why not? Main full bath. Great for guests. Like those sconces there. Really cool tile all around. And then you have a room / bonus room here and a primary suite here. Let's take you in this way. With your own door, all the AC units are there. Love that concrete out there. We'll get to that. Fantastic room. And check out this suite. Automatic lights again. Jetted tub, nice shower. Check these out too. Very nice. Yeah. All right, moving on. Beautiful large walk-in closet. And have your own unit in the room as well. Could be a good storage. Separate thermostat, of course, with the separate units. Separate switches for each sconce here. Love the skylights. Big nice windows, great size room. Really private off to the backyard of the house. Can't wait to show you inside there. Yeah, did a really good job here. Dimming lights, by the way. Heading up now to the upstairs area. Fantastic full bathroom. Automatic lights, as well as a couple more bedrooms. Bonus rooms, offices, whatever you want to do. Really nice closet on this one. All right, so we're back in the kitchen, and this is super cool, super unique. Check out this huge room. Truly limitless. You can do whatever you want to do here. From gathering room to entertainment room to media room. Love that fireplace too. And access to the backyard, and we'll go out there in just a moment. Just want to show the garage real quick, because you got a nice large garage with the access to the backyard there. Fully finished, insulated door, new motor ready to go. So we're gonna need these. And let's head to the back. Real quick before I go outside. Look how cool these built-in blinds. Right, you can flip, go up and down. Very cool. All right, so super private. You do have more property back there. Here's the back side of the home. Really nice bonus storage shed area there too. A lot of doors to get out here, all fenced in. Have a nice gate there. Check this out. This is about 2,000 square feet. All new windows, of course, all new doors. Got access here. Comment below, what would you use this space for? Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you made it this far. Send this to some friends, and we'll see you on the next one.